Welcome to lecture 7 part 8 of this Python tutorial series. Today we will discuss scope, global statement, non-local statement, blocks and suits. Overall goal of our tutorial series is to learn Python by implementation. Let's start. Scope can be local or global. You can give an identifier a global scope if it is defined outside the block. If the identifier or a variable is defined inside a block, then the scope of the variable or identifier is local. What does that mean? That the variable and identifier can be used inside the block only. Outside the block, the variable does not persist or the value of that variable does not persist. For example, we take a global variable x is equal to 20. This is outside any block function, therefore it is a global variable. Value of x is 20. We are defining a function, and inside the function we are assigning x as 30. You are calling the function fun, and in the last we are printing the value of x. What do you think what will be the value of x? First we initialize x with 20, we define a function, we initialize x with 30, and then we call the function. From here control is transferred to the function x is initialized as 30, we return to the next statement of the function and x. As this x which is defined inside the function is a local variable, the value of x is valid in the function only. Outside the function the value does not persist and it is a different variable than this x. If you run the program and check, if you want to access this global x inside the function, then you have to just use a global keyword global and x. So the x which is used defined in this block, if the variable is repeating and it is declared globally, then that global value of x will be used and then that value will be updated. Okay, we click on the cell, run the cell. Now you can see x was 20, function was called. Global x signifies that you have to use global variable x. The value of x is updated as 30. We come out of the function and print the value as 30. Non-local statement: if you have function inside the function and you want outer function variable should be used inside the inner function, then you use non-local statement. For example, you have diff function 1. This function we consider outer function and we have a variable with the same name and we initialize the value as 50. Print the value of x. Okay. Inside this function we define function 2, which is function inside the outer function, inner function. We assign the value of x as 100 and we call this function fn function 2 the print the value of x. Now without using non-local statement, if we run function 1, what will happen? X is assigned to 50, 50 will be printed. In the sub function x is assigned to 100. This x is different than this x, therefore the outer x value 50 remains same. Function 2 is done and we print x. We run this cell and call function 1. As non-local statement was not used, both the cases value will be printed as 50. If you want to access this value of x is equal to 50 or want to use this value of x is equal to 50, should be affected by this statement x is equal to 100 here, you can use a statement called as non-local at which the same variable was x, therefore defined non-local as x. Now click on the cell and run the cell again. What will happen? The difference will be only this x was used here and the value is initialized as 100. So x is 50, 50 is printed, function 2 is defined, function 2 is called, same variable of x is assigned as 100 and printed x as 100. Click on the cell, first run the function, then call the function 1 so that inner function 2 should execute. And we get the output as 50 and 100. If the statements are defined inside a function, then it is called as a block. If the statements are defined inside a conditional, example if, then they are called as suits. The scope of the identifier, if they are defined inside a function, then they are local. The scope of the statement when they are defined inside the suits depend on whether the suit was defined locally or globally. For example, I have a variable I as 10, then I define a conditional that if true, this true is starting from indentation 0, means it is global, and I is equal to 20. What happens here is this I and this I is same. This is because if is global means this I is global. You cannot have two global I, means we are accessing the same I and we are updating the value of I from 10 to 20, and in the last we are printing the value of I. If we run this cell, we get the value of I as 20. The suit was global, therefore variable was identifier was global, the output is global, that is 20. Instead, if you define a block here, def func function func, and inside the function you write the statement. Now this I is different, this I is different. This I is of func, which is local to this block. This I is defined, then the function is there. You need to call the function func. Now the control transfer will be done from this function to the definition, and I is assigned 20. This is different I and this is different I. Therefore when you print the value of I, you get the output as 10 in this case. If you delete, okay, what I am doing here is I am pressing escape P, and I want to go to kernel, restart and clear output. Okay, you will see a button here that the kernel has restarted, kernel ready. Now this I is not defined and you are assigning the value of I as 20 inside the function, and outside the function you are printing the value of I. If you run this cell, it will say that name I is not defined because it is local variable in this block, it is not available outside, therefore value cannot be accessed outside. If this was a suit which was globally declared, for example if true, and you run the cell again, now you get the value of I as 20 because the conditional or suit is global, therefore variable is also global. Do hit the subscribe button if you like the content. Please leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.